Hello, little English learners. Today we will learn the story of Snow White. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Snow White. She was so beautiful that the whole kingdom loved her. But she had a stepmother who was the queen of the kingdom. Now this queen was very beautiful once. But now she was old and ugly. The only thing she liked was looking at her own beauty in the mirror every day. One day, while looking into the magic mirror, the queen asked it, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" And the mirror said, "You are the fairest, my queen. But Snow White is even more beautiful than you." The queen was very angry when she heard this. "What? How can she be more beautiful than me? No, no, no. I am the most beautiful woman in the kingdom," she said. And she ordered her servants to take Snow White into the forest and leave her there. When Snow White heard this, she was very sad. But before going to the forest, she took one last look at the kingdom. As she walked through the forest, she was scared, but she kept walking until she saw a small cottage made out of twigs and leaves. She knocked on the door and said, "Please let me in. I am lost in the forest and I don't want to spend the night here." A little mouse came out of the door and asked her to come inside. And when Snow White entered, she saw 7 little chairs and a table. She sat on one of the chairs and soon fell fast asleep. After some time, 7 little men came home. They were very surprised to see Snow White sleeping in their chairs. One of them said, "Oh, we are the 7 dwarfs. And you, little girl, how did you get here?" Snow White told them everything that happened, and they offered her to stay with them in their cottage. Snow White agreed, and from that day on, she started living with the 7 dwarfs. Every morning she would go to the forest to collect flowers, and every evening she would return home with the dwarfs. Every day she went to the magic mirror and asked, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" And the mirror said, "My queen, you are beautiful, but Snow White is even more beautiful than you." This made the queen very angry. She was so angry on Snow White. One day, the queen decided to make a pair of red-hot shoes and take them to the forest. She knew that Snow White had to walk through the forest every day, and then she could trick her into trying these shoes. She wanted to hurt Snow White. The next morning, Snow White was collecting flowers in the forest when suddenly she saw a beautiful pair of red shoes under a tree. She tried them on, and they fit her perfectly. But as soon as she put them on, the shoes started burning her feet. And when she pulled them off, she saw that the soles of her feet had become red and raw. Tears rolled down her eyes. And just then, a little bird came and asked, "Why are you crying?" Snow White told the bird everything, and the bird said, "Don't worry, dear. I will tell this to our king. He will help you." Then the bird flew away. The bird told the king everything that had happened to Snow White. And the king immediately got ready and went to the cottage of the 7 dwarfs with the bird. When he reached there, he knocked on the door and said, "Open the door, little dwarfs. I want to come in." The dwarfs opened the door and invited the king inside. And when he saw Snow White, he fell in love with her. He asked her to marry him, and Snow White agreed. On the day of the wedding, the king invited everyone from the kingdom, and there was also an old, evil queen who wanted to attend the wedding of Snow White. The king stopped her at the door and said, How dare you enter my kingdom after what you did to Snow White? Guards, take her away." And the guards took the queen away. Soon they were out of the kingdom, and the queen was furious. She couldn't believe that Snow White had become the most powerful princess in the kingdom. Just then, she saw a nearby well and sneaked into it. Accidentally, she slipped and fell into the well, and the evil queen was dead. Snow White and the king were happily ruling the kingdom together, and they both lived for many, many years. Now let's discuss some of the new words from the story. First is beautiful. It means very attractive and pleasing to look at. For example, the girl looked beautiful in her new dress. Second, kingdom. It's a region ruled by a king or queen. For example, the kingdom was very peaceful during the king's rule. Third, stepmother. Stepmother is someone who married to your father, but is not your real mother. For example, Snow White's father married again, and Snow White's new mother was her stepmother. Fourth, mirror. It's something that shows your image when you look into it. For example, we use mirrors to look into our face. Fifth, ugly. It means something that doesn't look nice or is not pretty. For example, the old man has a big, ugly mark on his face. Sixth, magic. It means done by using special powers. For example, the magician did fun magic tricks to make the children happy. Seventh, cottage. It's a small house in the countryside. For example, they found a cute cottage with a red roof. Eight, asleep. It means to be sleeping. For example, the baby is asleep. Let's keep it quiet. Ninth is hurt. It's the causing pain to someone. Snow White got hurt when she wore the red shoes. 10th, furious. It means extremely angry. For example, he was furious when he saw his broken bicycle. Now let's have a little fun. Let's try to remember all the new words we have learned today. So let's start. What is the opposite of beautiful? Yes, ugly. That's right. What do we use to check our hair? We use a mirror. Very good. What do you call a place where a king or a queen rules kingdom? And that's all for today. If you want us to continue making such videos, then please like and share this video with your friends. And if you have learned something new, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.